Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I will be showing you how to fix your Snapchat map because it hasn't been working recently. So let's go ahead and get started. Now the first thing you want to do is go to your Snapchat account. Once you're there, you can click on the icon on the left side and then you can just see what all your friends are. You can also see exactly where you are. This shows me, but if you want to change this, you can click on the gear icon in the top right and you can turn ghost mode off or turn it on, which means nobody can see you. But if you turn it off, that means that all your friends can see you. And then, so if you want to change this, you can hop out of Snapchat. You can then go to settings. Once you're in settings, you can scroll to the very bottom and look for Snapchat. It's in alphabetical order. So just look for S. Go to Snapchat. From here, you can click on location. You have many different options when you click this. You can click never. You can click ask next time or when I share while using the app or always. You can also turn on precise location. So I have it toggled off right now, but you could toggle it on, off, whatever that fits you. And then you could also go to general and settings. So just hop out of this, scroll up. You then want to click general, and then you want to find iPhone storage. You can then search for Snapchat in the top right, or you can just scroll down and find it. It's right here for me. You then want to click offload app, and then you'll have to reinstall it. You're not really deleting the app, you're just making some more room for your app, for what's inside of it. This is not get rid of any of your data on Snapchat. It won't get rid of your friends, text messages. You don't have to worry about that. It just helps the app run a little bit smoother. So just make sure to reinstall it, and then you can clear Snapchat from your device right here. Then you just want to hop back on and then see how well your map is working. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any videos you want me to make, and I will see you later.